A very good morning to all of you. I hope you are fit and fine. Children, in today's class, I am going to start a new chapter, chapter number 7, Useful Features of Microsoft Word 2013. In this chapter, we will learn about bullets and numbering, applying borders, using spelling and grammar features, and using thesaurs. So, without wasting your much time, let us start today's class. Open page number 89. Applying bullets and numbering. The bullets and numbering features of Microsoft Word is useful when you want to present your text as a list of items. Means, if you want to present your text in a list form in the sense of if you want to present your text 1 2 3 4 or ABCD form, then you should use bullets and numbering features, right? I repeat once again, bullets and numbering features is used when you want to present your text in the list form. You can see on the screen also, these are the bullets and numbering effect. If you want to make a list like this, then you should use bullets and numbering features. This is the list form of the text. I hope you understand. I repeat once again, bullets and numbering features are used to present the text in the list form, right? Now, there are two types of list, bulleted list and numbered list. What is a bullet? A list having bullets in front of each list item is called bulleted list. A list having bullets in form of each list item is called bulleted list. You can see on the screen, in this list, a bullet is present in each item of the list, right? This dark circle, this dark point is known as bullet. A bullet is a special character used to mark the start of each item in a list, right? This symbol is known as bullet. What is a bullet? I repeat once again, bullet is a special character used to mark the start of each item in a list. You can see on the screen the first list, Taj Mahal, Qutub Minar, Charminar, Red Fort. In this list, this small figure, this small dot is known as bullet. And right now, on page number 89, a list having bullets in front of each list item is called bulleted list. This list is known as bulleted list. Why it is bulleted list? Because in this list, in front of each items, a bullet is there, right? By default. Now, second list is numbered list. A list having numbers or alphabets in front of each list item is called numbered list. A list having numbers of alphabet in front of each list item is called numbered list. You can see on the screen, in the second list, numbers are present in each item. So these lists are known as numbered list, and this list is known as bulleted list, and this list is known as numbered list. I hope you understand. Now, it is clear. I repeat once again, a list having bullets in front of each list item is called bulleted list. ऐसी list जिसके आइटम के सामने एक बुलेट, एक सिंबल अपीयर होता है, उस लिस्ट को हम लोग बुलेटेड लिस्ट बोलते हैं. And the list having numbers of alphabet in front of each list item is known as number list. और ऐसी लिस्ट जिसके हर आइटम के सामने नंबर्स होते हैं या अल्फाबेट्स होते हैं, तो ऐसी लिस्ट को हम लोग नंबर्ड लिस्ट बोलते हैं. Got it? Okay. Now, when the order of item is important, such as the step to perform a given task, you use a numbered list. When the order of item is not important, you can create a bulleted list. underline this point, it is a very important point. When we use bulleted list and when we use number list, so number list is used uh, when you when the is when the num sorry when the order of the items is important. Number list is necessary when when uh, when order of the items is important. Order of the item is important means if you write if you write a step of anything, then step 1, step 2, step 3. So in this list is sequence is very important. So in that case we use number list, and we and when we when the order of the list order of the item is not important, then we use bulleted list, right? I hope you understand. Number list is used when the order of the item is important, just like if you want to write if you write in step of any action, then you should use number list. And when the order of the item is not important, then you should use bulleted list. Now, how we use bulleted list and number list, how we create number list, and how we create bulleted list, what is the step? Let's see on page number 89. Follow this step to create a bulleted or number list. The first option, how we create a bulleted or number list. Select the text to be displayed as a list. The first step is select the text which you want to convert into bulleted list, right? Step 2, click on the home tab. Step 3, click on the down arrow next to bullet option or the down arrow next to numbering option in the paragraph group. Click on the down arrow present next to the bullet option. This is a bullets option and this is a number option in the paragraph group. In the paragraph group, click on the click on the arrow next to the bullet option. Then step 4, select the desired bullet or numbering style. The list is formatted accordingly. Choose the bullet style as per your choice. You can see on the screen, right? So this is a bulleted list. And if you want to give numbering list, then select the text, click on home tab. In the paragraph group, click arrow next to the number option, choose any style and click it, right? These are the number list. I hope you understand. I repeat once again, watch it carefully. To give numbering effect, to give bullet and numbering effect, the step 1 is select the text which you want to give numbering effect. Click on home tab. By default, home tab is selected. Then in the paragraph group, click arrow next to the bullet option. This is a bullet option. Then choose style, choose design as per your choice and click it. And if you want to give numbering effect, then select the text, click on home tab. In the paragraph group, click arrow next to the number options, choose any style and click it, right? In this way we have created bullets and numbering effect. Another method to give bullets and numbering effect is, in this method, first of all select the bullets and numbering style. After that start the typing. How? Click on home tab. In the paragraph group, click arrow next to the bullet option, then choose any bullet style. Now start the typing. Pacific Ocean. Press enter. When you press enter, bullet will automatically appear in front of the second item. Again press enter. then bullet is automatically appear in front of each and every item of the list. You can see on the screen. Right, like this. And when you complete the list, press 2 time of enter, 1 2. Then when you press 2 time enter key, then bullets and numbering effect will stop. I repeat once again. First of all, click on home tab. In the paragraph group, click bullets or numbering effect, then choose any style and type the item of the list. Press enter. Bullet number will automatically appear in front of next item. And after finishing the typing, press 2 time enters, 1 2 to stop the bullet and numbering effect. Now, applying borders. You can add borders around text, paragraph or a page to further enhance the look of your documents. Means you can give borders around the text, around the paragraph or around the page to give more attractive look to your documents. Right? Borders is used to give attractive look to your documents. Borders around text or a paragraph. You can easily apply borders on all 4 sides, left, right, top or bottom of the text by choosing the appropriate border option on clicking the borders down arrow in the paragraph group. It means that you can give borders all 4 sides of the paragraph, or if you want to give only top and bottom borders, or if you want to give only left side border or right side border, then you can give it very easily. Right? Means you can give border, give border around the text all 4 sides, or if you want to give borders on the left and right side only, or if you want to give top and bottom borders only, or if you want to give only left side, right side, top and bottom side, then you can give borders as per your choice, as per your requirement, in a very easy way. How we give? Click on the first option is click on the home tab, then click arrow next to the border option in the paragraph group. This is the paragraph group. Click on the arrow next to the first of all, select the text which you want to give the border effect. Then click on home tab, then click on arrow next to the border options and choose border style as per your choice. This is a bottom border. You can see on the screen only bottom borders will appear. Top border, only top borders, right? And if you want to remove, just simply click on that thing. Okay, select the border, left border, you can see only left side border is appear, right border, right, all borders. So in this way you can give the border. Now You can also choose different border style, color and thickness for the border using the border and shading dialog box. Means you can also choose the different border style, color and thickness for the border with the help of the border and shading options. How? Step 1. Select the text or paragraph around which you want to apply border. The first step is select the text around which you want to apply the border. Then step 2. Click on the border option in the paragraph group under the home tab. Click on the home tab. In the paragraph group, click on the arrow next to the border options. Right? Step 3. Click on the borders and shading options. The border and shading dialog box appears. This is the border and shading options. Click on the border and shading options. Border and shading dialog box will appear. Step 4. Click on the borders tab in the border and shading dialog box. This is the border tabs. Click on the border tab. Now step 5. Choose the desired setting for the border. Setting section. Choose the border style from the style list. This is a style. Choose the appropriate option under the setting section. This is a setting section. Choose the appropriate option. None. You can see the effect also here. None. Box. If you're choosing the box option, then border will appear all four sides of the text. Shadow. 3D. Custom. Right. Mostly we are choosing box. Then choose the border style from the style list. This is a style box. Choose the border style. You can see the effect also here. These are the border style. Okay. So choose the border as per your choice. Then choose the color from this side. You can see the effect here also. Right. Choose the width of the line, border lines. You can see the effect here. And choose to apply the border around the paragraph from the apply box. Choose paragraph in the apply to box and last click OK option. You can see the effect of the right. I repeat once again, watch it carefully. To give border around the paragraph, then the first step is select the text around which you want to apply the border. Click on home tab. In the paragraph group, click arrow next to the border options. This is the border option. Choose the border and shading options. Click on the border tab. In the setting section, choose the appropriate options: none, box, shadow, 3D, custom. Then choose the style, border style. Then choose the color. Choose the thickness of the border and choose paragraph option in the apply to option, and finally click OK button. Right. In this way we have in this way we have give to the border around the paragraph. Next is on page number 94, borders around a page. You can give borders around the page also. Right. How we give borders around the page also? Let's see. Click on home tab. In the paragraph group, click on the arrow next to the border options. Choose border and shading options. In this section, in this dialog box, click on the page border tabs. This is the page border tabs. Then same process. Choose the appropriate options. Choose the line style. Right. Then color, thickness of the line, apply to whole documents or this section, the first page only, this. Okay. choose the whole documents, and finally click OK. You can see, right? I repeat once again. Click on Home tab. In the paragraph group, click arrow next to the border options. Click on border and shading option. Click on page border tab. Choose the appropriate option from the settings section. Border. Choose the line style, automatic, color. You can click on art options and choose the different design from this here, like this. Okay, you can see it makes more attractive to your documents. Okay, I hope you understand. This is enough for today's class. Watch the video carefully, and if you have any problem, then please drop a message or call me.